Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a story that's part tech, part entertainment, and a whole lot of oops. It's about Amazon Prime Video. Their hit show, Fallout and a generative AI that got a little too creative. So, as many of you know, Fallout on Prime Video has been a massive success, bringing the beloved video game world to life. To help viewers catch up, or just refresh their memory on the complex storyline of Season 1, Prime Video rolled out a new feature back in November, AI-generated video recaps. The idea was pretty cool, right? Use cutting-edge tech to create quick summaries so you can jump right back into the action. Gerard Midione, AVP at Prime Video, even called it a groundbreaking application of generative AI, aimed at making the viewing experience better. A noble goal, for sure. But here's where the wasteland adventure goes off the rails. Fans of the show, who are known for their incredible attention to detail, started watching this AI-generated recap, and things weren't quite right. In fact, they were very, very wrong. Users quickly took to social media and forums to point out some major mistakes. For example, the AI claimed one scene was set more than 100 years earlier than it actually was. In the world of Fallout where the timeline is everything, that's a huge error. It completely changes the context of events. And it didn't stop there. Perhaps the most glaring mistake was how the AI summarized a key interaction between two main characters, the Ghoul and Lucy McLean. The recap apparently described their scene in a way that completely misrepresented their dynamic. For anyone who has watched the show, you know their relationship is nuanced and central to the plot. The AI's version just didn't make sense with the actual narrative, altering the very foundation of their character development. It's like the AI watched a completely different show. The backlash from the community was swift and decisive. Fans were not happy that a tool meant to help them was actually spreading misinformation about the show they love. The inaccuracies weren't just small details, they were fundamental plot points that could seriously confuse new viewers or misinform returning ones. And what happened next? Well, Prime Video quietly pulled the AI-generated recap from the platform. No big announcement, no detailed explanation, it just vanished. This move speaks volumes. It shows that even with all the hype, the current state of generative AI is quite ready for prime time when it comes to creative and narrative-heavy tasks. It can process data, but it seems to struggle with context, nuance, and the artistic intent behind a story. This whole situation is a fascinating case study. On one hand, you have a tech giant pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. On the other, you have a passionate fanbase that acts as the ultimate quality control, proving that, for now, the human touch and human understanding is irreplaceable when it comes to storytelling. It's a reminder that while AI is a powerful tool, it's not infallible. It lacks the critical thinking and emotional intelligence to truly grasp the art of a good story. It can tell you what happened, but it can't always tell you why it matters. On a brighter note, for all you Fallout fans, eagerly awaiting more adventures in the wasteland, the real deal is on its way. Prime Video has confirmed that the highly anticipated Season 2 of Fallout is set to premiere on December 17th. So, mark your calendars. We can all look forward to more expertly crafted storytelling, hopefully without any AI-generated confusion. What do you guys think about this? Is AI being pushed into creative fields too quickly? Or is this just a necessary growing pain for new technology? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'm really curious to hear your take on it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one.